Foxit PDF Editor can turn a long PDF report into clear, useful takeaways in seconds. I've got a multi-section quarterly report to review before a meeting, and I need the key takeaways without reading every page. With the report open, I'll use Summaries document to create a complete overview. Alternatively, if I'm already in AI chat, a / command opens the same summarization workflow. Foxit scans the report and analyzes its content while keeping the full document in context. The summary organizes the report's key insights and sections into an easy-to-review format. Each source-linked citation lets me verify an insight against the exact page it came from. If I need more detail, I'll ask a follow-up question while the report remains in context. I get a clear, cited summary in seconds, saving reading time without losing the ability to verify the source. Then I'll copy the summary into an email, ready to share before the meeting. Summarizing reports comes in handy in all sorts of cases. Analysts can pull key metrics, compliance teams can surface risk flags, and researchers can review findings faster. Start a free trial of Foxit PDF Editor and try Summaries. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.